Hello friends, in this video we will talk about what are the best solar panels in the United States. For those who wish to take advantage of solar powers for home house, the first step is assembling their home solar system. This system will generate including a battery storage device, an inverter, micro inverter, and of course an array of photovoltaic PVs. Solar panel based on factors such as efficiency, durability, product warranty, price point, and temperature coefficient. These are the top solar panels for home use. LG best overall, SunPower most efficient, Panasonic uh, best temperature coefficient, Silfab best warranty, Canadian Solar most affordable, Trina Solar best value, QCell's customer favorite, Mission Solar best small manufacturer, REC Solar most reliable, windy nation best for backup power. As you can see, of these solar panel excels in a certain area, and each one comes with its own pros and cons. Again, as you seek the best residential solar panels, it's crucial to consider the specific needs of your home and your solar power system. To get connected with a solar panel installer in your area, follow the link below. Watch below. If you are just beginning to explore the solar industry, you may want to spend a few minutes familiarizing yourself on how solar cells even works. Um, you can watch the TED video about how solar panel works on YouTube, or we can provide a link in this description as well. So, how did we evaluate each solar panel for home use? Efficiency, durability, warranty, price point, temperature coefficient. So the top solar panels, best overall is LG Solar. Most efficient is SunPower, and best warranty is Silfab Solar. For our top selection and our vote for all around best residential solar panel, we are going to LG. LG is a top tier electronic company, and its solar panel are known for their quality and durability. Truly, these are premium products that works well with almost any home solar configuration. A quick look at LG technical stats confirm this. In terms of efficiency, LG solar panels are almost unbeatable. They are rated as 21.7% efficient. The only brand we have found that can surpass that is SunPower. A competitive price point and robust 25 years warranty just sweeten the deal and make LG the most recommended the home solar panel. So that was our video. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you.